Would you do a price on this whole bin? Hey guys, Dave the NC Picker, and I am actually doing something different today. I'm at a flea market, and this flea market was like a super far drive. I didn't realize how far it was. It looked closer on the map. I've never done a flea market in a video, and it looks like there's not that many people here, as in like not that many vendors, so it might be a total waste of a 45-minute drive each way, but hopefully we can find something. And it does look like people are still setting up too, so maybe I'm a little too early. Hopefully we can find some goodies. It's weird being out here alone. I've been going with my mom so much lately. It's a car boot sale. Open the cars.
That's how you felt. Yeah, that's what I'm saying. You never know if it's true or not. Everybody's got a store when you buy something. Everybody's got a store. The only reason I believe it is because the guy who gave it to me. Exactly. You don't have $40. 40? Yeah. I'll do 30 for you all day long.
Yeah.
That's all like stuff I remodel in my house. Yeah, before I go to
Evie.
That's what it is. It's just like, how you doing, boss?
How much are your games?
I'm doing 15 for Eevee, and then, hey, Chris, what do you want to do for Yu-Gi-Oh? Hey, what do you want to do for Yu-Gi-Oh?
I'll do 15 on that.
Okay. Did it have 2 discs, or it always only had 1?
And then I actually thought the same thing, and you can actually read on front. It said the 1 disc. Because I thought
oh, yeah,
like,
yeah,
you
yeah.
open it up, it said, okay. I was like, where's the other disc? Chris?
And you said 15 for that, too?
I said 15 for that, and then 15 for the Eevee.
Zombies forever.
That's the money lady right there. Got 60 on that. 60.
Let's see what else they got.
It's a good gun case, right?
Technic Tokyo.
Yeah, just like that.
There's some old anime stuff.
Yeah, that's cool. How much are these?
How much are you doing on the VHS?
$5 a piece.
5 a piece? Okay.
Hey, you got some gems in there, brother.
Yeah.
Wow.
Some good stuff. Some oldies.
Oldies are the best. What are you talking about?
I'm gonna get these two, and I'm gonna think about those.
Yeah. Check them out, man. I know the Dragon Ball ones. I told them, I said, you should put them online, man. Thank you, boss.
Yeah.
And then I got you right here.
Thank you.
I should have. I was Sunday. I didn't know what was going on.
There it is, boss.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate it. Yeah, just whenever you come by.
Yeah, I'll come back. Just got here. Don't want to blow all my money in one spot.
Exactly. You don't know because you're gonna go look around and find out what else. So.
Cowboys and Aliens.
I know because I was going through it. There's also because there's some PlayStation 3 games. So.
Yeah, you got a whole bunch of cool stuff here. GTA, Chrono Crusade, Sting of the Scorpion. So this is all good stuff. Vampire the Masquerade. That's a $20 game, 30.
$5. Oh. Alright. Yeah, you got the video and
How much are you selling your baseball cards for?
I'm just trying to do it as a lot, man, because I've had it for so long. Yeah, so if like $30 and somebody could take it, because I got it for 20, so I got it on an estate sale.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
haven't had a chance to look through them. I know nothing about baseball.
I don't either. I have a buddy who collects them, but
yeah,
he's
man.
probably.
I looked up. I grabbed a handful of 20. Looked them
Yeah.
up. And, most of the cards were either
they're worth
50 to like
nothing.
$1.50. Yeah, exactly.
They're
And
worth
I was
nothing,
like,
but
okay,
he's.
you can make some money if you're so
No, so
slowly piecing them out,
when it's
man,
your
but-
hobby and you're
Yeah.
trading them and you're
That's it.
selling them for $1, but you're trading for one. You know what I mean? Like
Exactly.
he'll do that for 10 hours.
Exactly.
Doesn't make any money. He just grows his collection.
Exactly, and
So
that's not a
it's
bad
like.
thing because like what could happen, just like Pokemon, it could flip around to become worth money again.
Exactly.
So you never know. That's why I was gonna keep it, but then I was like, I'll bring it here. Somebody wants to look through it or whatever.
He's just obsessed with. What's this white and blue thing?
That is for Pokemon Go. It's a dual catchmon. If you have like, it's an auto catcher.
Oh, really?
Yeah. It's an auto
like
catcher.
for the tablet game or the Android, or the iPhone game.
Yep, exactly. Because me and Chris were actually super big into it, and I ended up buying it online.
Wow.
For $80 off of Amazon. You could even look it up.
Yeah.
Just $20 for it. I'm just trying to get at least recoup some of my money. I used it for like ever.
And then you got a watch here.
It's just a Fitbit. Yeah, it's like one of the screen Fitbit ones.
Okay. You have the coolest stuff so far.
Yeah, we had a lot cooler, man. You missed it. We had I sold a GameCube. We had a 64. We had all kinds of stuff.
Wow.
You just missed it, man.
Oh, that's okay. Any fairy lamps?
Morning, how you doing?
Hey, how's it going?
Hanging in there.
Yeah.
That way. You know what I'm saying?
It's a little cold, but
Yeah. Yeah, pretty much.
yeah. Big dinosaur. Oh, that's cool.
But I want to get people with me. I couldn't get nobody. Oh yeah, it's a two-seater. Yeah. Maybe I should just keep these in the case.
Really old.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
That whole court, that's a 1960. Is that what you were looking at?
Yeah, they're cool.
Yeah, it's 1960 case.
Yeah.
You get all of it, all three dolls and the clothes.
Yeah.
For 35, but I'll do a lot better than that.
Oh, you will?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Well, you know, you can discount some of their Barbie clothes. I mean, it's really a. But I will come down.
Okay.
You're welcome to open this also.
It's just empty, right?
Huh?
It's empty?
Yeah.
I can't really stop thinking about those VHSs. It's so funny, you get like, your brain is stuck on one thing you found, and you can't even like focus on anything else because I'm just thinking about those VHS. Putter? Comics. $4 or $5, they're all individually marked.
Put that in the drawer.
Yeah. You can hide that anywhere. Nobody would know it's there.
Nobody would know it's there. That's
Exactly.
it.
But so she wanted. She's retired, so
Wow.
Tony owns a warehouse.
Beavis and Butthead.
He gets Amazon. He gets semi-trailer. So he says, "I'll set you up in the business." She got a business like.
I'm just looking to see if there's any first edition.
Put on there. Dude, it's her own.
See Paul.
Oh, they didn't like that.
Yu-Gi-Oh.
No, they hated that. So when they sent us a thing in the mail, I mean it was.
Morning, how are you? Good.
Most things are marked, but I'll take offers on things.
Okay.
Still got a lot more we'll put it out too.
Alright. There's cars. Batmobiles.
You're a happy young lady, huh?
Not a game, it's $25. I don't know.
Here, Ari, come get this.
Yeah, I'm not seeing hardly anything I want. It's an ephemera. Futurama. That's cool. How much is your old paper stuff?
There's a bunch of World's Fair and automobile stuff.
Yeah.
I was doing 3 each, but if you get more than one, I'll give you a deal.
Okay.
Alright, Ari, you can bring me more pictures.
Clue effects. Cool. Morning.
The hinges are broke on it.
Yeah. It's cool though.
Take $5 for it.
$5? Yeah. I'll do it for $5. It's pretty cool. There you go.
Like it?
Thank you. Oh, yeah. Oh, knives. Those are, what's that called? That marking there.
Wow, I said it all day today.
Yeah, it's total brain fart. Damascus, Damascus steel, but it's
Damascus we are.
but it's like, I don't know. There's like real and fake Damascus, right?
There's real and fake. My ex brought those two from Singapore with her.
Oh, really?
Her and her dad made them. So.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Really
Cool.
cool stuff. I know the bone in that one came from India.
Wow.
And then
That's wild.
everything else came from Thailand.
Wow.
Not Thailand. Singapore.
Singapore, yeah.
She was hot. I miss her. I think she's too lovely. My girlfriend's right there. Better days, you know?
Shoot. Would you do a price on this whole bin?
It'll be $40 on that whole bin right now.
$40? I'd do that,
Big
yeah.
ass deal.
That's a great deal. I'll do it. You want to get this stuff gone. So is this like normally how many vendors, or it's usually more like on Saturdays?
Give it a couple hours. It's
Yeah.
gonna be popping, yeah.
Okay. I came too early.
Let me get you a box.
Okay, yeah, cool.
I'll get you the box that I had all that in.
All right, cool. Appreciate it, man. I'm doing deals. I'm wearing my PlayStation shirt under this. I get, you know.
That's okay, awesome. I don't know how to support you on, man. What'd you buy?
He sold me the whole bin. I keep thinking about them. I'm walking around just thinking about them. I know, yeah.
Hell
Get him out of here.
It's distracting me from the whole entire event here because I keep thinking about these stupid VHSs.
I can give you a hand with your
Not gonna
car
lie,
if you
man,
want.
you're
I got it.
the only reason you're an asshole is 'cause I just spent like 20 minutes getting those all in nice order.
Well, there you go. There you go.
Well, see, the order is what made me want them. I was like, wow, this order. It should give you a cut.
I bought his boot today. What are you talking about? There's his cut.
Okay, okay.
Let me find you another boot.
So later in the morning is when it starts
There
popping.
was too, man. Yesterday,
Yeah.
I didn't even know it. Me and him, literally that booth right in front of the bathroom. There was a whole video game booth with all kinds.
Really
of
cool.
We didn't know, and then I looked on Facebook Marketplace.
Is that good enough?
Yeah, I think I'm good. My car's just right there. I'll just pop it over there and put it in the back. And
Yeah,
I'll come
man,
back.
So definitely, I'd come back like I'd say like an hour or two.
I'll keep looking because like there's new things popping up here.
Yep,
So
slowly, man.
oh, did I miss a couple? Thanks, man. Here, just pop it in. Thank you.
Thank you.
$40, guys. Holy cow. This is why you buy in bulk. That's insane. $5 a piece would have been like $200. It's insane. I'm having fun now. 1, 2, 3. And I'm still wearing the PlayStation shirt. Wow, that was really fun. I really enjoyed this flea market, guys. I definitely didn't really plan it out to be there a long time. Definitely missed that, what is it called? Danbury Mint Harley. And I looked at it like 30 times and it never processed. I think it was because so many other people had cars there that weren't really good. And I had been looking through those and none of them impressed me, that I was just kind of like glazing over at any sort of car model. But then as I was watching this footage, I noticed it said Danbury Mint at the top, which is a total bolo, as they call it, something you want to look out for because Danbury Mint's a really good brand. So I looked it up and realized it was a $150 Harley that I just completely ignored. But I still did pretty well. I found that Castle Grayskull Masters of the Universe that sells for like $40, paid $5 for it. I got that big tote for $40. And I haven't looked through them all yet, but just like randomly looking up some titles while I edit this, I'm well over $140 just in the handful of titles I looked up. Some are sets, and so they'll sell like the whole set for 20, 4 VHSs for 20. So, but it probably, my guess, and there could be some gems in there, but worst case scenario, I'm thinking $200 for that tote full of stuff that I got. And it was just really cool to go to a flea market and just source. And what I learned is you need to actually kind of stick around there and just wait for more people to come. Even as I left, I had to leave by like 8:30. So I didn't have a lot of time, but even as I left, people were pulling in with car trailers full of stuff. So it was really cool. I wish it wasn't so far away. Maybe I can find one closer to where I live, but it was a fun experience. Definitely made some cool profits. And actually there's some more footage from this same exact flea market that I still have to edit. And I got some more pretty cool stuff too, so look out for that footage coming soon on this channel as well. Make sure you subscribe, guys, so you don't miss any of these videos. Flea markets, yard sales, estate sales. I'm hitting everything now. So thank you guys. Comment below. Tell me your favorite item. We'll see you next time.